Okay, tubers, here I got this. Now, for any of you would-be farmers here, wannabe farmers, thinking about trying to be a farmer or hobby farmer or something, just remember, just because it's uncomfortable outside or things aren't perfect conditions, doesn't mean the farming stops. It just means that you gotta suffer some. So, when you think, oh, it's 90 degrees and humid out, I can't go out and work, too bad. The animals need fed. Everything's still got to be done. That's how it was the last couple of days. I ain't complaining, I'm just saying. But, here's what I'm doing now. I'm working on this. And, yeah. So, because I don't have my table like I would at home, kind of makes things a little more difficult. Where am I set stuff? I'll use this right here. Set that bolt there. Got one out. I think there's one left up here. That one's right there. And then the other one's, yeah, right in there. I guess the other two are missing. Typical. Yeah. If you ever get into farming, you'll notice how everything goes missing somehow. And no explanation, so you better have a spare or something, But the other thing is, I don't have a tripod with me. So, I don't know how I'm going to show you me working. I don't know if you're even interested. I wouldn't be interested, but let's see. Maybe I'll just set you on this block of wood right back here by the shed. You won't be able to hear me worth a darn, but... You may think, yeah, just lower that way around that one. It's easier over time. No. Anything about that? Hey. Run here a little bit. You don't fit 1 inch back or 3/4 inch back, half inch back. Yeah, half inch. But that's how it goes, I guess. Working out nothing. I like that. You guys don't like it seeing the end result, right? You don't want to see that, right? Yeah, you guys don't want to see what I just did. Yeah, well, I'm not going to show you yet. Well, you know what? I'm a nice guy. I showed you the Minneapolis yesterday, so BAM! All hooked up and ready to go. To sit outside and last 5 years and be ruined. No, I'm joking. Joking. It'll last longer than that, I'm pretty sure of it. As long as there ain't no corn messing that thing. Stupid critters getting in the shed. I tell you. But, yeah, it's all hooked up there. Here's the end result. I don't have any oil for it. So, at least I don't think we have any straight 30 weight, which is what one of these engines calls for. But otherwise, just dump some gas and it'll be ready to go. But I think for tonight I'll just leave this here.